Bring the hybrid polymer mixture to the repair area and shovel it onto the surface of the damaged area. Use a shovel or concrete rake to evenly distribute the product. When filling deep areas, use the tamper to ensure the product is settled. This step is unnecessary in most cases. Wet the trowel using our cleaning solution. This prevents the hybrid composite material from sticking to the trowel while floating the surface of the repair. Work the product in from the edges towards the center and finish to a level, even surface. Once the product is evenly distributed, the coloring powder can be dusted and brushed on. Use a broom to carefully remove the excess powder. While the 30-minute repair cures, it's time to move on to the next step: cleanup.